Management about you, and the reason why I asked you not to come with your friend is because I don't want to seem like a bad person.
How do you mean?
You see, the game is not as easy as you guys think it is, or how you guys see it. Because in the end, if a bird that carries himself has difficulties of even flying, how else will it be when you're trying to carry another bird behind you? You feel me? So let me just go straight to the point. The management said they can't sign more than one person.
So it has to be just me?
It has to be one person. I can help you out if it's just you, but if it's going to be both of you, it's not possible. So what's your choice?
Sorry, I tried.
Are you happy now? You left me with no love. Now I'm on my own. Where did we go wrong? Alone in the dark. I'm trying to find the light. I'm trying to find my way. I hope you see my pain. I feel wrong. No one to call on. Nowhere to turn. Where do I go from here? Was I been wrong? So choose me over you this time. Cause I've always fought for you at times. And now you couldn't find us for me. Maybe we just got to the end of the road. But that doesn't mean that I want you to go. Don't know if to be happy that I found love, or to be sad that I'm losing a friend. In case I keep you waiting for so long, I hope it wouldn't hurt